welcome back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the duck sound. Well, it's definitely easy. Okay, I want you to say moi. Keep saying moi, and then do it in a voice like very dark, like my friend actually does it like this. Saying what? Keep saying it and you'll get it.